Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be walking you through step by step on how to open your Payoneer account. As you all know that Payoneer is one of the payment methods that you can use to get your money online, and then whenever you want to work online, you want to receive money online, it's either you get it through your PayPal or Payoneer, or you get it through local bank transfer. But Payoneer and PayPal is always what people normally go for. So I'm going to show you how you can register and get your account approved. So the first thing you are going to do here is that you have to choose any of these option to describe who you are. So like the first thing you have to do is to choose freelancer. So it's either you choose a freelancer or online seller or affiliate marketer. So after that, then you click on get the full power of Payoneer to both send and receive global payment. After clicking that, then you click on register. And mind you, if you are not up to 18 years old, please, you will not get approved. Like, they will not even accept you. So make sure that you are 18 years old before you can go for registering on Payoneer. And also make sure you fill in your correct details. You can see when you get here, click on it should be on individual, and then you should make sure that you enter your correct details, as because you'll be entering your Nigerian bank account, and the name that is on your bank account should be the one you will surely enter here, guys. And then the name on your ID, like your NIN slip or international passport or your driver's license, should be the same as the one you want to enter here, guys. So you have to enter your first name, your last name, which is your surname, email address. Then you re-enter your email address and enter your date of birth. Please enter the correct details here. So I'm going to enter my details now, and then let me quickly do that. So this is the second stage for our sign up process. So you have to enter your country, your street, and number. So I will need to edit this because it is like auto message I've already set. That is why it is entering it by itself. So I'm just to put my street and my number. Then you will put your city and town, then your postal code. Just go to Google and then put your postal code. If you stay in Lagos, and then maybe your local government in Lagos is Ikorodu now, then I put my postal code for Ikorodu, that where my area fall into. Just go to Google, then write Ikorodu postal code, then you will see it there. If you're in Ibadan, just put Ibadan postal code. So the area your postal code and the postal code that your area fall into, just pick the number. It's always 6-digit number, so just put it and enter it here. The next thing to do is to put your phone number. After putting your phone number, then they will send you a code. Then after sending you a code, then you have to enter it, and then you move to the second stage. It's as simple as that. So don't get it twisted here. All what you have to do put here is your street name and your phone and your street number, then your postal code and your city. So I'm in Lagos, Nigeria. Remember, I've already chose the country we have. So I'm in Nigeria. I put Nigeria. I'm in Lagos, and then my postal code is symbolizing the area I am in Lagos. Do you understand now? So what you have to do is to put your phone number. After putting your phone number, then you wait. After putting your phone number, then you click on send code. They are going to send. So this is the third stage, and my number has been verified for the second stage. So what I have to do is to put my password for my Payoneer account, and then I will put my security question, because I will have to choose any question here, and I must not forget the answer, because Payoneer is still going to ask me what is my answer to the questions I have chosen here. So what I have to do is I will need to know the answer to the security question, and then I will have to choose the ID I want to submit. So you can submit your NIN slip here, you can submit national ID, driver's license, and international passport. So I'm very, very sure if you are up to 18 or above in Nigeria, you should have your NIN slip. So what you have to do is to input your national ID number. That's just what you need here. There's no physical verification, just put your national ID number. So let me fill it up now. So this is the last stage actually. So what you have to do is that to be on personal account because it is for individual purpose. Then your bank country, it is Nigeria that we've already chosen, I think in step 2. And then you have to choose your Nigeria bank account here. Just click on it, then you choose the account, the bank account you own in Nigeria, and mind you, let that name be the same as the one you have on your Nigeria bank account. That's why I said earlier that you must not use different name when you are registering on this Payoneer account. So what you have to do is let this name here be as the same as the one on your Nigerian bank account. So you are just to put account number here, and after doing that, then you agree to the terms and condition here. So after entering it, then you click on submit. Then you move to the next stage. This is the last stage for signing up on Payoneer because it is, can see, 4/4 here. This is the last stage. So you can see it is saying congratulations, your Payoneer account application has been submitted successfully and it is now being reviewed. So like they are still in process, like they will get back to me, I think in 2 to 3 working days. But what I have to do now is that I will go to my Gmail account to click on the confirmation mail they sent to me right there. So I will go to I'm in my Gmail app now, so I'll just have to click on the message that Payoneer has already sent me. So they told me that I should verify my email address, and then I'm going to do that. They're supposed to send me that my account is ready. It does not take time, so at least maximum of 2 days, like you're going to get your account. You are going to get your account number to receive your online payment into. It's as simple as that. So if you find this video helpful, just let me know in the comment section and let me know what you think about this video. And if this is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, my name is Esther and I make videos on how to make money online, and this is also part of it because you are going to make money online and then you get it to your Payoneer account. It's as simple as that. So I'm on my way to get to 200 subscribers in this month of April, and I believe you can surely help me get to it. So, and thanks so much for always watching my videos, and I promise to always give you valuable content like this. Make sure you subscribe and then like my videos so that YouTube is going to push it to other people too that need my video, that need to learn some things from my video. I will see you in my next video.